So jump up to our midline pool or grab for in-call with Blue World Pool's top-of-the-line classic pool. The ultimate in high-style living. The choice is yours. But remember, this is your last chance to take advantage of our limited time offer. The price will never get any better than this. How can you call Blue World Pools right now and beat that heat?
Oh, shit.
Do you have a Social Security disability claim which has been denied, or a workers' compensation claim from a work-related injury? Call the Social Security, Disability, or Workers' Compensation lawyers at Elk & Out. Call 1-800-ELK-OHIO. Elk & Out. Serious lawyers for serious injuries.
Hello. Hey, did you by chance tell me the meeting was an hour earlier? So would be late?
No.
Okay. I'll see you soon.
Okay. I wrote down the numbers along with the offer.
I looks at the family. It's a big pair of pitch. Well, where's going to hand his legacy on to?
We got this.
Did you get air in your tire on?
Best seller,
Huh?
Christmas seller.
Honey, Valentine.